It's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have another case for you for the Google Pixel Fold. This is the Tudia MergeGrip. I am a member of Amazon Vine, so they sent me this case out for my review for free. So this isn't directly from Tudia, but it is from Amazon. I will include an affiliate link. Get your Tudia grip. Now these come in various colors. I know I saw a green, a blue, a black. This is the pink. I'd rather use the scissors today. Being I have a blue case, I was just like, let's roll with the pack. Noisy unboxing. It's a pretty plain blue and white box. Social information on the side. Made in China on the bottom. Designed to protect. TudiaProducts.com. This is the MergeGrip series. It's dual layered, clicky buttons, and military grade. Usually you'll get that military grade, you can drop it and it's pretty good. This has got a 12-month warranty on it. If you keep your phones that long. You know, I kind of struggle a little bit to keep phones for a while. But so far so good with the Google Pixel Fold. It is dual layered and there's a purplish looking color on the inside. There's the pink by itself. This is more of a silicone, gonna absorb any kind of drops you have. Nice texture in there. And here's the front. Props to you, Tudia. There is no adhesive strip. So they have faith in their product that it's gonna stay on your phone. Let's get our phone. Incoming phone. Probably gonna snap right in, that's my assumption. Most cases do. If I can get through this without doxing myself. Back's on. Front locked and loaded. It's got a little thickness to it, but it's not too thick. This is somewhere between the carbon fiber and the Ghost Tech cases. I will link those two in here for you. It's a little bit thicker than the OEM Google case that I also have, but you know me, I like to have me a pink case. So this is my pink case. Let's go around the case and tell you about it. We have cutouts for our speakers, our microphone, and our charging port. A nice little indentation for our fingerprint unlock. Dedicated buttons for the side. They are clicky. They don't make clicky noises, which is fine with me. You know, you don't need to let everybody know you're turning your volume up and down. Up here at the top, speaker and mic holes. And nothing on the side. Again, if you're worrying about my matte finish, I installed a matte screen protector day one on this phone, but this isn't the one I installed. I installed the IQ shields. I came back and did Hydrogel. I will link to the Hydrogel in the description. It was a little longer, but it wasn't as bad as the IQ shields. It's been holding up pretty well. Nice little lip around that camera. You're gonna be fully protected there. And I won't hold you long because case videos are not supposed to be long. I'd like to thank you for stopping by the channel and checking out my unboxing and review of the Tudia MergeGrip. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. If you've liked this video, please click the like button. If you've liked multiple videos on this channel, if you've enjoyed Google Pixel coverage, please consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what the privileges of those memberships are, click on the join button and see what those membership privileges have to offer. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money. This phone is money. And I hope to catch you on the next video.